Good morning. Robbo's still packing his bike while I have breakfast. Today we're going to Bramwell. Hopefully that's the start of the old Telegraphtrack. It's only for four-wheel drive, but we're going to give it a go. There could be only one problem, and that's the wet. The wet is about to kick in. So if it starts raining, then we have a serious problem. Well, going to find out how we're going to deal with that, but hopefully not. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it stays dry. And it's a beautiful day again. Going to be hot. So that's good. Weipa, the biggest bauxite mine in the world. It's all used for aluminium. Probably. Rob's at the post office and sending stuff back home, unloading the bike, because we're going to Bramwell today, and from Bramwell we're going on the old Telegraphtrack, and it's pretty rough, and he wants to get rid of some weight.